Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file, and they said it wouldn't smart fill evenly, and it doesn't. It misses a lot of the interior parts because we've got some leaks here. And if you look at it real close, and I drew the rectangle so it wouldn't leak outside the box, there's 4 sets of nodes right there are connected. That one might be leaking. There's 4 there. There's at least 10 nodes that are going to leak. So to fix that problem, I'm going to get rid of my rectangle for a second. The easiest way to fix that, instead of having to go through there and join all those nodes, is just select it all, go up to Windows, Dockers, join curves, and I'm going to set my top gap tolerance on 0.01 because I don't want anything jumping across lines. I just want to close those small gaps, and I'm going to hit OK. Now let's see what it does. Look how our nodes are joined all the way through. It did all of them. Now let's get our Smart Fill tool and fill it in. There's a couple of parts that are going to not fill in. And just for the person who's doing this, if you plan to cut this out, this double circle won't work, because once you cut one circle out, the other circle is going to fall. That would work right there, and that's the way it would look. So maybe I would add a decorative item in there somehow. But that's a pretty neat design. There's a few more little areas that didn't smart fill, but will cut if you have this all turned into a red hairline. And I'm going to take away the fill and change our outside line to red and double click on it and make it a hairline. Now that should cut out very nicely and everything should work. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.